All right, I'm actually going to do this video. I'm going to do a video on setting up a cold email system. For most of you that follow me, you know I'm not a big advocate of this strategy. However, if it's working in the background and it's something that you set it and forget it, but then apply other manual strategies and personalized strategies to your recruiting efforts every day, then I'm okay with it. So I've had a lot of inquiries and questions about how to do cold email for recruiting businesses, how to get new clients, new candidates. So I figured I'd go ahead and put a video out there and show you what I use. So I use a platform called Apollo, apollo.io. For those of you that are in the business, I'm sure you've heard of this. Maybe some of you are using it, but I only use this for scraping. And then what I do is I export a lot of my targets into my applicant tracking system. And that's where I run my workflows and automated email campaigns and text messaging, as well as voicemail drops. So I'll give you a quick preview. What's cool about what I have with Apollo is a scraper tool, which I'll show you as well. So if any of you are interested in this, just let me know. You can reply here in the comments or just message me through recruitemy.com. So I go in here to Apollo and I'll just go ahead. Let me move my face real quick and I'll do a search, right? So job titles, let's just go with nurse practitioner. Seems to be a popular niche nowadays. And let's just go ahead and pick a location of like Florida, for example, where I live. Okay. So you get your result, 5,000 nurse practitioners that you want to market to, let's just say, for example. And now with Apollo, they will only let you select 25 people at a time. And then you have to download each page one at a time. But with this scraper, we're able to bypass that, kind of get that governor off and download 5,000 people right now if you want to. So that's what's pretty cool about this. That's what I like about it. And the way you do that is you simply apply selection. And then you would go up to the scraper tool that we have developed. Let me hit stop task. And let's just say we want to scrape, 2 pages, not just one for the purpose of this video. And we have a list and we'll call it, nurse. So you just simply click Run List Automator, and voila, it starts doing the scraping, and it bypasses each page, and we'll scrape as many contacts as you want. So as you see, we have 50 prospects, boom, that are uploaded into a list. All right, so then what we do from here, X out, and we'll go to List. And as you see, the nurse list is there. I brought in 49 people, probably because maybe one of the emails wasn't verified. And then what I do from here is I select all 49 people, and I'll export this list. I'm not going to do it here because I don't need nurses. I'm not in that niche, but I'll export them into a CSV file. Okay. Then what I do is upload them into my applicant tracking system that we've developed for our members at Recruitemy. Simply click on Import Contacts, map it out with first name, last name, email. That's all you really need for cold email. Upload file, hit next, boom, and all 49 contacts will be here for you. You can create a smart list called Apollo Nurse List that would show up right here and just be able to market to those 49 people. You can also set up really cool, good looking marketing email templates back here with your logo on it, a video, maybe links. And then it's as simple as coming back into your contacts, clicking on your Apollo Nurse List, selecting all 49 people. You can even text them if you have their phone number, and then send an email, hit proceed. And then what's so easy, you just go ahead and select your template. So boom, and it's all written here for you. You put your name, your email address, and then you can send these emails out in drip mode to protect your URL, which is great. You can schedule it to go out anytime you want, hit send email, and voila, it all goes out.